Hi guys, good morning. Napakagandang umaga. Oh my God, si Kurt Bondad nanalo kahapon. And I gave him a grade of 99% because I really feel that he's gonna win. Pero mahirap din ang laban niya. It was not that easy kasi si Lebanon and the other guys were also performing very well. But I know he only has a very small edge para manalo. But I still gave him 99% kasi hilog na siya and he was doing all his assignments. So congratulations Kirk, and I'm still here in Cyprus on the way to Rhodes, Greece. Malapit na rin matapos ang cruise na to para makapag-vlog na ako. Nahirapan ako kasi one phone lang nga merong wifi. So, I need 3 phones na dapat naka-wifi to be able to do my vlogs. But anyway, congratulations, sir. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to be able to see somebody won for Mr. Philippines, for Mr. International. Thank you again, and napakagandang umaga to all. Okay, breakfast muna tayo. Sama kayo. Ay, dagat. We're in the ship. We're moving already. Let's go. So this is Surfside Cafe for Norwegian Diva. This is the breakfast restaurant na buffet. So every day ito ang aking go-to restaurants. Tapos the rest for lunch and dinner, fine dining kami. Sayang naman kasi fine dining is included here in Norwegian Diva, kasama na sa Binayan. Almost all restaurants. Yes. At ito sa magandang Pilipinas. Say hello.
Good morning.
Ang daming Pinoy dito, my God. Ang babait nila, saka ang gagwapo. Ang gagwapo. Ang mga girls natin ang gaganda. Maganda talaga ang Pilipina, no? Okay, ayan na ang mga breakfast items. Diba? Siyempre, what do you expect? The usual pancake, sticky bun pala ito, kala ko cinnamon roll. Yes, of course, ang wala ka tayo mga sausages, bacon, and omelets. Mahaba to, pati sa kabilang side meron. Kapareho lang. Grits ata to, grits. Oh, sausage gravy pala. Oh yan, may corned beef. Grisel, may corned beef. Good morning. Yan mga Pinoy, ang gagwapo. We have of course cheese and cold cuts, mortadella. We have fruits. Yeah. Ganda din ba? Sana araw-araw ganito sa bahay. Of course, you get the free juices. And of course,